condition. Air condition often observed AC or AC is a process of removing heat and controlling the humidity of air in an enclosed space of achieve more con- comfortable and environment by use of power. Air condition are a variety of the methods and cooling passive cooling and with ventilator cooling air conditioning is a member of family of system and te- technicals that provide heating heating ventilation and air condition HVAC. Air condition with typical use vapor compression refrigeration ring is size form small unit is unit used within a single room to massive unit that can cool large buildings or score which can be used for heating as well as cooling as be being international coming and cooler climate according to the International Energy Agency IEA as of 2018 and 1.6 billion air conditioned units were installed which converted from an installation 20% to electrically used in buildings global which the member expected to go to 6.6 billion by 2050.